Hi, I'm Chris with Tiny Frog Technologies. I want to talk to you about plugin security and maintenance. For preventive measures, you definitely want to keep all your plugins up to date. At least once a month, have a developer or somebody that knows PHP code or HTML code and understand the plugin and can do the research on the plugin. Need to at least make the updates, because I know when you're logged into the WordPress backend dashboard and it says update now, you can just click the button. Only problem is if you do that and that update didn't work well with another plugin, then you'll have some website issues. And if you don't have reverting tools that can revert back to the point of before you push that button, then you definitely want to have a developer in there understanding what was changed and be able to either put in a patch, revert it, or contact the plugin developer and let them know what type of issue you ran into. When choosing a plugin for a site build, TinyFrog performs what we call plugin profiling. This is when you check the plugin profile. Every plugin that's out there that's built is usually has a plugin profile that tells you how many downloads and what is it compatible with. We check these things and also make sure we look at the reviews, because we want to say, what are people saying about this plugin? Are there any issues? This also helps us identify if the plugin developer is still around making updates to his plugin. That is one critical issue that most WordPress users have, is all of a sudden they bought this plugin and the developer kind of fell off the face of the earth, and then they're not making updates. Well, whenever there's a vulnerability that causes an exploit in like the core, the plugins need to be updated. So it's the responsibility of the person who built that plugin to also put in the patch so that their plugin is tip-top shape and secure. If you'd like more information on security topics, please contact us at tinyfrog.com.